through CSS Grid. Last time we looked at CSS Flex, and Flex and Grid are kind of similar, but then with a few simple differences. Shall create a new project. We call it CSS Grid. Okay. Now let's create a new file, say index.html. Okay, you can create a style .css. Then into our HTML shall make our structure, and then we can link our we can link our HTML, our CSS. Okay, so we shall use the same concept. We shall get a div as a mother. We call it a mother, and inside the mother we shall have about 5 children. We shall say this is a child. We can say times 6. I do the dot, I say child, I give a class I want, I say times the number of times I want to create that element, and then I press enter. I will create 6 of them, and I will say this is child 1. This is okay, sorry, you can give this an h2. I will say this is child 1, and then I will keep this as child 2. I give it an h2. I say this is child 2, and h3. I can say this is child 3, and h4. I will say this is child 4, and h5. I will say this is child 5, and should be h2 anyway. It will work either way. We can say this is child 6, sorry. So what happens in our style, I will first target the mother, and I will target the mother, and I will give the mother some width of about 100 view width. First style the body with a width of 100 view width, and then give the mother width of 100%, that is of the body, and give some padding of about 20 pixels. I think that's okay, so we can bring the mother down. Okay, the mother, I can give the mother the color of antique white. Then we select a child. We shall give the child some width. No, we won't give the child a width. We shall give the child a width of about 100 pixels, and the height of about 100 pixels, and a color, I can give it blue. Yeah, maybe text white. Sorry, you can say color of white. I think that's okay. Let's see what we have. Okay, sorry, let me go live. Okay, this is what we have. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6. I think we can give this leave this like that. So on the mother I can give some padding of about 25 pixels. Okay, that's okay, so let me see this time on our body. If we apply overflow y scroll, overflow x, scroll, no scroll, x hidden. Let me see. Okay, so what happens is we are going to apply we shall apply grid on the mother. We come just like flex, we say display, and this time we want grid. Then when we display grid, we shall have this combined. Then we can add a property we call grid template columns. We say repeat, and we can say we want 3 columns with 3 boxes, 3 boxes, and we add 1 fraction, and we shall have this. So we shall have 3 boxes on a row. What happens is when we are dealing with grid, unlike flex, we don't give the child a width. The width is defined from the mother because we want 3 laid on each row of the mother, so it means it will adjust the width of the child to 3. When I remove this, you find that I have that. I should give it some gap of about 10 pixels, and okay, this is what I have. I have 3 laid. I should remove this. We shall find a solution to this. Let's first ignore it for now, but then okay, okay, this is it. We have a width. We have this covering all this. What's the width of the mother? Can we say 80%? Let's give it 80%, such that we are in some position to view it all. Okay, I think on the body I can as well apply flex and center everything. I can say display flex, and I change the flex direction to column. Okay, and changing the flex direction to column, I justify center and items. Justify items in the center, and I can align items in the center such that we have all this in the center. I think this is okay, and solving our problem of overflow on the X. Yeah, I think, yeah, exactly, this is it. We can now apply overflow on the X after applying flex and justifying everything to be in the center. So this is what we have. We have three cards, and we can head on and style these cards in any way we want. But then if I want 4, grid will adjust these to 4. I can say I want 4. It will adjust these to be 4 and to adjust the width. So for grid, we don't need to necessarily give width unless otherwise. So this is how grid works. We shall see this when we are looking at responsive writing media queries, and at some point you need 3 cards, and on some devices like a phone you may need like 2. So we shall be using this in time to come when you are looking at responsive and media queries. Thank you. Subscribe, hit the bell button for more.